Take your car audio experience to the next level with the 10-inch powered subwoofer, delivering 800 watts of powerful bass that fills your car with deep, rich sound. This slim under-seat subwoofer is the perfect solution for tight spaces, offering intense bass without compromising on performance. With its 35 Hz to 20 kHz frequency range, you'll enjoy punchy lows and clean mid-bass, creating a truly immersive audio experience. The 4-ohm impedance ensures compatibility with most car, truck, and RV audio systems, making installation a breeze. But it doesn't stop there. Customize your experience with LED lighting that adds a modern touch to your car's interior. Change colors to match your music or mood, giving your ride a personalized and stylish vibe. Fine-tune your sound to perfection with the adjustable settings. Control the low-pass filter from 50 Hz to 150 Hz, boost the bass from 0 to 24 dB, and adjust the gain to get the ideal sound. Everything you need is at your fingertips with the included remote. Upgrade your car audio system with a 10-inch powered subwoofer. Powerful, customizable, and sleek. Let the bass drop and the lights shine.